Your concern is human rights. Mine is human lives. I am concerned both the present and the future. I worry about the future because I know what crimes can do to the youth of this country if not stopped. Crimes can make humans susceptible of succeeding generations. I will not allow it to happen. Not during my term. Human rights to me means giving Filipinos, especially those at the society's fringes, a decent and dignified future. The lives of our youth are being wasted and families are destroyed. And all because of the chemical called shabu, cocaine, cannabis.